The SA900 oscilloscope series integrates 4 instruments in a compact package: a 2-channel oscilloscope, a spectrum analyzer, a data recorder, and a precision frequency and phase analyzer. Analog input bandwidth ranges from 100 MHz to 1 GHz for different models. While the oscilloscope displays the time domain behavior of signals, the spectrum analyzer can be used simultaneously for frequency analysis of the signals. The time base of the oscilloscope can be changed from 1 nanosecond per division to 100 milliseconds per division. The voltage settings of the unit is 20 volts to 20 millivolts per division for a 10x probe and 2 volts to 2 millivolts per division for a 1x probe. The triggering panel provides the user with various options including alternate triggering. An assortment of features enable the user to easily analyze the signals. The frequency and phase analyzer helps analyze any periodical signal with frequencies from 10 Hz to 1 GHz. It automatically presents channel 1 and channel 2 signal frequencies, displays their phase difference, as well as the corresponding phase jitter. The frequency and phase analyzer features a 0.1 Hz frequency resolution and a relative accuracy of 0.01 ppm. For slow varying signals, the data recorder with its flexible time settings of from 500 nanoseconds per division to 365 days per division offers the user the ability to monitor the changes of the intended signals and save the corresponding data. The instrument can be upgraded to include an arbitrary signal generator, a logic analyzer and a pattern generator in the same package. For applications which require more than the standard 2 channels of the oscilloscope, additional units can be connected to the PC through other available USB ports. The free application software helps the user to review various features of each instrument. For additional information, please view our video tutorials or contact us at info@analogarts.com.